Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer mode and preparing hardware. This unlocks sideloading. Open the Oculus mobile app, select your Quest 2, and turn on developer mode. Once done, make sure your headset has at least 50% battery and is on the same Wi-Fi as your PC or phone for seamless file transfer. You do this now because official app stores block Chrome. Developer mode allows alternative app installs. Next, connect the Quest to your PC with USB and accept the headset permission prompt so files can be transferred. Now you sideload the browser build. Install ADB on your computer and confirm the Quest appears with a DB devices. This verifies the USB link. If you prefer GUI, install SideQuest, connect the headset, and let SideQuest recognize the device. Then either use SideQuest's install feature or run a DB install followed by the APK path to push Chromium to the headset. This step gives you a Chromium-based browser when official Chrome isn't available. Make sure to watch for installation errors and keep the headset awake until done. Finally, launch the browser from library right arrow unknown sources. You might also start it from SideQuest. When you run it, grant storage and microphone permissions so downloads, sign-ins, and web apps work properly. To make it easier, pin the app to your home or set a shortcut. This saves repeated navigation. If the app crashes or blanks, reboot the Quest first, then reinstall the APK or clear the app data via settings or a DB shell PM clear. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most installation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.